Welcome to Skopje, the capital of North Macedonia. We're spending a few days exploring the birthplace of Mother Teresa and what is possibly the statue capital of the world. To kick things off, we're starting in Macedonia Square to see the warrior on a horse statue, which is definitely not Alexander the Great for legal reasons. It's Macedonia Square. It's a very big statue.
It is. It's massive.
Statue of not Alexander the Great.
No.
They have a lovely flag, don't they? This is the stone bridge, so called because it's stone and it's a bridge. Fountain with horses, so many statues. This is Philip II of Macedon. He's Greek, it says on the sign over there, just in case anyone's offended. One thing we've learned about North Macedonia already is that they love a statue.
They do. They're everywhere.
So our next destination is the Skopje Fortress. Dennis made a friend.
He's bringing us to the fortress.
You just attract animals everywhere you go.
I know.
You're like Dr. Dolittle.
I know.
This is the Old Bazaar. This is lovely. Are you absolutely sure we've got to go up that hill to the fortress? I don't think you should be allowed on the maps. You're rubbish at it. We could be going anywhere. This is why I don't let Dennis use the maps when we're driving, because he brings me down one-way streets and everything. There's the fortress there, so I think we're going the right way. So it turns out this isn't the entrance to the fort. So we're still looking for it. You're going to fall off the edge there, and I don't know what the Macedonian is for hospital. It's a very steep drop.
It's very rocky down
Right, Dennis, off now, come on. Make me nervous. Look, you can see the cross up there in the mountain. There's a staircase here. Oh, look, a little lizard. Oh,
It's like Chateau DIY.
is there anyone in? Hello?
Let's keep in.
Hello? Oh. To be fair, they could probably invest in a few more handrails. Oh, we're going up here now, are we? You can go into the tower, can you? Oh, look at us. Our hotel is over there. Dennis, it's a very warm day for a fortress.
It is.
It kind of winds its way up now. It's very warm for stairs. We've come to the top. That man's getting right up there. Come on, Dennis, climb up there. No? No, you can see all of Skopje from up there. You love an old fortress, don't you, Dennis? They have the flag everywhere, and to be fair, I don't blame them. They have a lovely flag. I love it. So that was Skopje Fortress. Lovely views over the city. We're going to go to the mosque now. It's nice. It's nice and peaceful there. So we're back in the Old Bazaar. We're just going to ramble through here. It's nice, isn't it? It's like the touristy area, really, isn't it? It smells lovely. I don't know whether it's on fire or not though. There's a lot of smoke. It's a buzzing little area, isn't it? Almost labyrinthian, the street. Is that a word? It just reminds me of a bazaar in like an Arabian country. Yeah, it's lovely and cool down here, isn't it? Mother Teresa came here and planted this tree. I've lost Dennis. I don't think he was that interested about the house where Mother Teresa was born, or the lack of the house where Mother Teresa was born. This is Macedonia Gate. It's not actually a gate, it's just an arch. There's no gate on it. Sure. Are you not walking through the gate? It's good luck. I'm going to walk through the gate. Dennis thinks that it's a road, but there's no cars. Oh god, there's loads coming towards me. So this is Warrior Park. we're on our way to see a statue of a woman. Because if there's one thing you can't get enough of here in Skopje, it's statues. Who are these lads? Here's another statue of a man on a horse. This is nice. Dennis, it's a statue of a portaloo. Statue of a water fountain. I'm not overly sure how much activity the pirates undertook here in Skopje, but they left one of the pirate ships behind. Dennis, this is the art bridge. It depicts Macedonia's love of statues. That's lovely. It's another bridge with statues on it. What's that bridge then? Was that the art bridge or is this the art bridge then? So, I was right, the first one was the art bridge and this one is the Bridge of Civilisations of Macedonia. They love bridges as much as they love statues. Dennis, we're going over there. That's the Museum of the Macedonian Struggle. So this is the Museum of the Macedonian Struggle. It's all about how Macedonia became independent. So Macedonia was part of the Ottoman Empire until the First World War. It's very interesting, isn't it, Dennis? Some of them have ended up in jail. Right, the Macedonian struggle continues. We're still part of the Ottoman Empire. This room is a lot bigger than I expected. I know the Macedonian struggle for independence is very important, but more important is these shoes. Look at them. This chap is wearing them too, look at. They're fabulous. We should get some of those crows for our Halloween decorations. I think they'd really add something to it. That's a bit grim. Right, there's another floor. It's Kemal Ataturk. Yeah, that's Franz Joseph and that's Tsar Nicholas II. These are all the leaders of the First World War powers. That man has some haircut. Right, the Ottomans were finally defeated and Macedonia was split between Greece, Serbia and Bulgaria. Still not free. So the First World War has just ended. Let's see what happens next then. Right, we've come to the Treaty of Versailles and there's still no independent Macedonia. Dennis, do you know who this looks like? You know when Professor Snape turns into Neville's grandmother? I think this man tried to kill the King of Yugoslavia, Dennis. So it turns out that he didn't just try to kill the King of Yugoslavia, he did kill the King of Yugoslavia. Moving towards the Second World War now. They have loads of pictures of prisoners on the roof. That's crazy. Look at them creeping there in the window. Right, we're now going to Communist Yugoslavia. This is Tito. He's one of the most infamous leaders of Yugoslavia. He was a bit of a bollocks. So we got all the way to the end and Macedonia didn't become independent, which was a bit of an anticlimax as far as I'm concerned. So they have all of these lovely little cafes right beside our hotel. This was the old railway station that was destroyed in the earthquake and now it's the Skopje City Museum. They love the flag, don't they? It's a nice flag to be fair. This is the government building of the Republic of Macedonia. North Macedonia. Dennis, the gate is open. I think you can just walk in. It's lovely though, isn't it? It's like a palace or something.
It probably used to be a palace.
Man coming down now, I see the security guard. I'm going to leave. I don't want to get shot. This is the Cathedral of St. Clement of Ohrid. It's an Orthodox cathedral and it's quite close to Macedonia Square. Don't know whether that's St. Clement. I'm not sure if we're appropriately dressed for an Orthodox church. I didn't read the rules before we came. Just a chap wearing shorts. We should be okay. This is lovely. Is that holy water on tap? That's very cool. Look at that. Yeah, that was lovely. It was very colourful, very ornate. Dennis, did you enjoy it?
I did. I really enjoyed it. As much as I can enjoy a church, but I do enjoy church.
This pedestrian part of the city is really nice. They love a flagpole in this country. Right, we're going down here to see the Feudal Tower, whatever that is. It appears that this is the Feudal Tower. Can you go into the tower? No, there's some kind of Mother Teresa thing in there. Oh, there's a smell away. I'm not going any closer. There's not much to it really. It's just you can't go in, or it's a bit decrepit looking, to be honest. This is the new Orthodox Cathedral. It's the Cathedral of Emperor Constantine and Empress Helena, and it was abandoned for years. It was meant to be finished in 2014. They didn't finish it, they just left it there. And now they're finishing it. And the bell tower is working because we're actually staying across the street and it goes off quite a lot. Do you think if I ask nicely, one of the builders would let me have a glimpse inside? We're very excited. This is the Mother Teresa Memorial House. She was born just around the corner. Where's the tickets? We were looking for the ticket office, but the entrance is free of charge apparently. And her sari. That's where she studied in Dublin in Ireland. This is the timeline when she came to Dublin in 1928. Is there something up here? Oh, it's a chapel. That's lovely. It was small, but it was very quaint. So that was Skopje. It's a brilliant spot for a few days away, especially if you're a fan of statues. Make sure to check out more of our videos from North Macedonia and subscribe to follow our adventures around the world.